Here's a 2014 Ford Taurus. Not many vehicles are as well-rounded as this Taurus. It comes with great features you love: auxiliary audio input, power windows, manual tilting steering column, configurable instrument gauges, power mirrors, manual telescoping steering column, V6 engine, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and 3 12-volt power outlets. Motor Trend highlights the dashboard and interior door panels are thickly padded, and the ambient lighting in the interior door pockets and footwells is as trick as in any German luxury car. The Taurus center stack expands out from a deep dash, cocooning the driver almost like a sporty car with a cockpit-style driver's seat. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Briarwood Ford has the best deals in the state of Michigan. Briarwood Ford is conveniently located at 7070 East Michigan Avenue in Saline, Michigan.